Hey, welcome back. Jeff Moody, Jeff Moody MD, jeffmoodymd.com. This is our weekly talking about burnout video series, and today what I'd like to talk about is change. And it's difficult, it's hard, no one likes it. We are creatures of habit. Habits are very useful for us, and it is sometimes difficult to talk about or think about making changes. And clearly, if things were perfect, you wouldn't be talking about or thinking about or doing something with your life as far as burnout. Clearly, burnout was kind of a slow, insidious change, not of your choice. And so now we have to kind of walk that back and change the parts of your life that became bad, the work parts, the environment, the perhaps it's the compensation, perhaps it's your fitness, perhaps it's your nutrition, sleep, health. You have to reassess and re-change back to, and maybe even not even baseline, but maybe to an improving way than you were before. There are many books. There's books called Atomic Habit. There's a book called The Power of Habit, and these are very important because you essentially change. The essence of change is finding a new habit that is useful instead of your current habit that is damaging. So that is a multi-step process. Again, I always feel like you have to recognize and stop doing what you're currently doing, and then you have to. There are different ways to think about this, but I love Charles Duhigg's techniques where you talk about a similar trigger and a similar result, but a different action in the middle. And so, for example, if the trigger was something that would typically have made you angry, you need a trigger that will help you become more patient, and then you will get the same result, which is relief of stress, which before it was only the anger and that display of anger that gave you that relief of stress. So you need to change that action in the middle. Please reference Charles Duhigg's book. That's Duhig. And don't be afraid of change. Embrace it as long as it's positive and it's one that you are directing. So congratulations, and get the help that you need. jeffmoody.com. We'd love to connect with you. The Physician's Burnout, the Doctor's Burnout, Physician's Guide to Recovery. And we will see you in our next video or whenever you contact us. Because remember always, burnout recovery is for you.